Hey guys, so in today's Let's See If This Works, I'm going to take car wax and polish my outdoor metal table. I know this might sound crazy, but I did a little test patch here, and the part that I did a little wax on looks so much nicer than the part that's not. So we're going to go with it. We're going to see how it works. I will say I do like how it turned out. I happened to be watching my husband the one day waxing his car, and I was trying to figure out ways to get this table somewhat back to life. It is really just faded over the years because we don't cover it during the winter months and it just sits out in the elements all the time. So I saw him waxing his car and he had some spots on it that it was taking off, and it just made it nice and shiny. And I was looking up ways to try and polish outdoor furniture, especially a metal table. This is an all metal table, so it's held up really well. I think we've had it for about 10 years now, and considering how long we've had it, it's still in really good condition. The chair, it might have a little rub mark here and there, but nothing that you would say, oh wow, that piece is beat, just, toss it and get a new one. So I'm going to do what I can to try and salvage this. So stay tuned to the end to see if it really worked. Oh, and by the way, do you feel like somebody's always watching you? Check behind my shoulder there. You'll see just a cat kind of walking across the roof line. Not my cat, not my roof line, but my neighbor's cat's just kind of peeking. I just wanted to give you guys a peek so far halfway through, and you can definitely see the difference between what I've waxed so far and what isn't. Let me know what you guys think down below. I think it needs a few more coats, but so far I like how it's turning out. Okay, so we're down to the final stretch. We have this little piece in the corner to do, and you can definitely see the difference between what has been waxed and not waxed, and don't pay attention to that. That's actually paint that has been removed, like scratched down to bare metal. I know you can get like some kind of polishing compound that my husband uses on his car, but I think because this is down to bare metal, it wouldn't really do anything for it. So I have to find something that I could use to paint on there. Like I said before in my summertime video, I was doing a summertime like clean and refresh of my backyard. I didn't want to paint this table because I really like the way that it looks. So I'm going to see what I can find to kind of touch up those little spots. Wish me luck. So that's pretty much it, guys. It took about 30 minutes worth of work. I do have to go out and see if I got that spot that you're seeing, like that big white stripe across the edge there. I'm not sure if I got that when I wiped everything down, but I will go check. But this is the final product. This is how it looks. I think it turned out great considering that I used car wax on it, because I really looked and couldn't find any other solution for this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.